Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech is Good. Today's our topic, how to install fonts in Windows 10 in very easy steps. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and like the video if video is helpful for you. Now download the font that you want to install. The website link is given in the description, you can check it and you can download the various font that you want to install in your window. I already download that. So extract here and copy it or cut it and paste in local disk C, Windows and fonts, and you have to paste that file here. The font is installed, you can check. I will show you the font is installed. Now change the font. You can find it here. The font is installed and check it. If video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.